Google has become a one-stop search resource for internet users from 4 corners of the world. Google also provides so many tools, features, and benefits that help you gain a sizable income. There are a great number of ways to make some extra cash on the internet with Google. The key thing is to know what avenues are appropriate for you and your skills, and how to use them correctly. If you want to know how to earn money online, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through 10 easy ways to make money online with Google. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, your #1 channel for the best tips and tricks to earning a passive income, from doing surveys to selling books on Google Play. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. This channel will inform you on making the best decision to earn money in your free time. Remember, earning money isn't about becoming rich, but creating a better life for yourself. Subscribe to the channel now if you enjoy this type of content, and hit the notification bell to never miss any of our latest videos that we upload. Let's get started. 1. Make money online with Google AdSense. If you're planning to earn money from ads on your site or blog, you should sign up for a Google AdSense account. AdSense is a zero-cost per-click advertising strategy to help you make some cash. This is the most efficient way to leverage the traffic on your website and convert the clicks you receive from your ads into money. You can control where your ads will pop up and find out which works best for you. Just decide where you want the ad to stay, then copy and paste the code wherever you want. You'll need to gain the minimum threshold to get paid. 2. Make money online with Google Opinion Rewards. If you'd like to gain rewards for doing surveys, you should try the app Google Opinion Rewards. Simply download the app and answer some questions about yourself. Then you will be notified that you'll receive some question surveys per week. With every completed survey, you'll achieve a credit to the Google Play Store or PayPal. Credits can be up to $1. The surveys may include reviews and user opinions on a topic to your satisfaction with a specific vendor. 3. Make money online with search engine Evaluator. Do you believe that there exists a job that can earn you money from searching online? You'll be a search engine evaluator. A search engine evaluation's responsibility is typical to ensure search engines, such as Google, are doing their task to find the most relevant information for users. They gauge the helpfulness of web pages and analyze search engine findings. 4. Make money online with Google Audience Measurement. Like Google Opinion, Google Audience Measurement gets you rewards. The audience management teams learn from you by supervising you when you use your mobile device, surf the internet, and watch TV. For any research study they are finishing, they ask any given panelist if they want to participate. There can be several panelists per study, depending on what sort of the study conducted. You'll have better odds if you surf the internet and watch TV regularly. Here's how it works. You'll have to meter your eligible devices. Whenever you use your device installed with the meter, your information is securely shared with Google. Some data collected are cookies, sites, apps, or what shows on your TV. The data they will collect from the study is what sorts of apps, sites, and TV are popular, or what sort of day you watch TV or surf websites. They want to identify how you use media at home. You'll receive credited points for one device, and points are added to your account every Thursday. 5. Make money online by selling books on Google Play. If you want to sell books to earn money, you could consider Google Play. Google Play Book Partner Program allows you to join and make money from your book or ebook. However, a limited number of publishers are accepted. Whether they can become a seller depends on which country the author comes from. Most countries can buy books or get paid to their partner account for selling books yet. Books in PDF or EPUB formats are both accepted. Google will be responsible for hosting, sales, and distribution of your books. You'll get sales reports and receive most of the revenue from every sale. 6. Make money online by selling apps on Google Play. You can leverage your skill to build an app and put it on Google Play for sale. If you have a tech mindset to build another big app, Google provides a nice platform to bring your idea to the world outside. The first thing to do is to set up a Google Wallet merchant account. Anyone from 18 years old can join and pay a registration fee of $25. Besides, Google provides ways to submit your app for testing to ensure it's ready for launch. When you are done, you can set it as a paid app. 7. Make money online by starting a blog and drive organic traffic. Undeniably, the most common method to earn money with Google is to build a blog. It's easy and simple to set up a blog for your own. When you link your website to Google AdSense, you can begin raking in cash. You'll need to prepare a good understanding of SEO and numerous great ideas that make people want to read. It is important to note that the blogging community is very large. Depending on your niche, it is challenging to get the ball rolling. Besides, finding out what to attract people to read your content can be hard. 8. Make money online by starting to create a YouTube channel. With more than 30 million daily members, YouTube stays on the list of the most popular websites worldwide. That leads to thousands of content creators rushing into the site to create videos and earn money. Like a blog, you connect your YouTube channel to Google AdSense to begin earning money from advertisements on your channel. If you can create a solid following on the website and retain a loyal group of subscribers, you can easily make some extra cash by uploading a few videos per week. 9. Make money online with Google Remote Careers. Google is among the largest corporations in the world, and they always hire new members. They tend to find people who prefer working remotely in a certain field. There are thousands of interesting and appealing job chances that let you work with Google from your own house. 10. Affiliate marketing. Whether you have a website or are still dreaming up ideas for a blog, you can also investigate affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you partner with brands and businesses within the content of your website. If you mention a product or service, you link to that produce or service using a unique affiliate code you received when you signed up for that affiliate program. From there, you'll make money anytime someone buys a product or service through your link. You'll want to partner with affiliates that are related to your blog concept. In addition to signing up for individual affiliate programs, you can also sign up for an affiliate ad network that offers a ton of different affiliates in one place. That way, you can see what works and what doesn't work over time. If you're looking for inspiration, Michelle Schroeder-Gardner of the website Making Sense of Sense has become the expert on all things affiliate marketing. Michelle earns more than $100,000 per month from her blog, and the bulk of her income comes from affiliate sales. Michelle has had so much success with affiliate marketing that she even has her own course called Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing. While Michelle works with a ton of affiliates in the financial services industry, one of her biggest affiliates is a blog hosting company called Bluehost. This just goes to show that you can make money with nearly any affiliate company or product if you know your audience and build up enough traffic to create sales. Those are 10 methods to earn money online with Google. Now it depends on you to explore, based on your skills, which one of these ways is appropriate for you. You should be well prepared because it's going to take so much time and effort to get things done. If you are using one of these above strategies to earn money, feel free to comment down below on which method you utilized. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video on 10 ways to make money with Google.